Everyone knows that Meta AI can generate unlimited images and short clips using the Midjourney AI model for completely free. But very few people know that Meta AI can create full-long videos with a 100% character consistency. Today, I shall show you the exact trick I used to generate this 60-second long video using Meta AI alone. Same character, same style, perfectly consistent. With this method, you can create high-quality, long videos and grow your YouTube channel really fast. First, let's start by using ChatGPT to generate our video script. I'm going to give ChatGPT this prompt. In this prompt, I am asking the AI model to write an engaging, short, Disney Pixar 3D style story, not more than 60 seconds long, and to add a new suspense hook every 5 seconds. I am also asking the AI model to have only 2 main characters to maintain the simplicity of the video, which is going to be really helpful. As you can see, the AI model has completed writing the video script. Now, I'm going to give this AI model another prompt. In this prompt, I am asking it to provide me with the image prompt for each scene, and I am also specifically asking the AI model to connect every scene to the next with a smooth story flow. This will make the video much smoother and better. The AI model has almost finished writing all the prompts for our story. After the AI model has written the prompts for our 3D Pixar style story, we are just going to copy the first prompt and paste it into the Meta AI website like this. After pasting the prompt into the Meta website, you are able to choose the aspect ratio of the image. You can choose the 16:9 aspect ratio for a long-form YouTube video, or a 9:16 aspect ratio for a TikTok or YouTube short style video. For this one, I'm just going to choose the aspect ratio of a TikTok video and send in the prompt. Here, the Meta AI website uses the Midjourney AI model to generate the images and videos. One thing I need to tell you is that the Midjourney AI model here is absolutely insane at creating hyper-realistic or 3D Pixar-style images. The AI model has automatically created all 4 of these videos directly from our image. This AI model can actually create 4 videos from a single prompt, which is really cool. The thing here is that in this prompt, the AI model only mentioned the red button, and the AI video generator was able to create the video from this prompt really well. However, we also need our main character. So what I'm going to do is copy the first image scene again into Meta AI, and then copy the second prompt for our scene so that we have the robot in the first image. This will allow us to do character consistency, which we need to keep the character consistent for our video. As you can see, the AI model here has generated all 4 of our images, and from those images, it has generated all 4 videos. All these videos look really nice, but I like this specific video here a lot. So I'm just going to download this video. Now, let's talk about how we can keep this character consistent throughout all of our short clips. If we don't do that and paste in our third prompt for our third scene to generate another short video clip, the AI video model is just going to generate a scene with a completely different character without including our main character. To fix that, we are going to download the video and then take a screenshot of the last frame. You can do that in a video editor, or you can just take a screenshot directly on this website. Then, we are going to upload our screenshot here. From this screenshot, we can then animate the video directly by clicking on the animate button, or we can give a custom prompt to animate our image. We are going to use the custom prompt from ChatGPT for this third scene, paste it on the website, and then just click on the animate option. The AI model is going to start to generate a video from that image. As you can see, the AI model has generated the video for our second scene while keeping the character consistent, and this video looks really nice. In this way, you can generate all the clips for the long AI video. Now, we need to make the voiceover for this YouTube video script. Later, we are going to put it all together in a video editor to create a video. To create a voiceover from this script for free, we are just going to go to this website called Google AI Studio. This is an official website of Google, and here you can use many of its AI models for free. For this, we are just going to click on the audio option here and start to generate our audio. Just copy your script and paste it into Gemini and remove all the timestamps that the AI model has generated to make the script a little better. After you have removed all the timestamps, just click on the Run button and the AI model will automatically start to generate the audio from the text. Now, the AI model has finished generating the audio from our text, and you can preview the audio here by clicking this button, or you can download the audio by clicking on the 3 dots and selecting the download option. Now, I'm just going to download the audio. After downloading the audio, you can bring it into your favorite video editor. For this video, I am using the Filmora editor. Now, you have to remove all the silent parts from your audio to make the video a lot better. You can do it manually, or use the Smart Edit tool of Filmora to automatically remove all the silent parts from the audio. After you have done that, you are just going to put the clips one by one to make a coherent video with consistent characters from your script. So, hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.